Magandang araw. Pag-apo tayo dito kasi graduation day na. Itong pinaka-special day. Pag-apo muna tayo. Oops, pusing mo na. Oops, strong. Okay. Paalis na kami dito. Yan, sakay na tayo ng motor dyan natin. Papuntang SMX Lanang. SM Lanang. Dito, nawat na kami dito. At sinuot ko na yung tuga ko kasi bawal daw dapat isuot ang tuga bago pumasok, sabi ng noon orientation ng kasama ko dito si Daniel Padilla, bahog utot. Ito na, pila na kami dito sa entrance para makapasok na kami dito sa entrance. Ayan, naglalakad na ako doon papunta doon sa isa. Tinauran ko na ngayon si mama ng ribbon, parent ribbon. At dito na kami sa nakapasok na kami dito sa SMX lang ng video. Ayan, ito na yung pinakasimula. Kasi matagal din kami nagpaabot kang sir. Para ma-opensahan na yan. Ayan na, nasimula na kami na itinaon na yung sa tawag kalimot kung sa tawag ng kwan ay hood tinaon sa hood. Picture mo na, ipakita mo yan dyan. Si mama panarain palagi lang si mama nakasimangot. Iwan ko ako masaya si mama nakagraduate ako o hindi kasi lagi nakasimangot. Ayan ang mga classmate ko. Yan, kunti lang kakilala ko dyan. Yung mga classmate ko makilala ko, kunti lang kami dyan. Yan sa likod kilala ko yun dyan. Dito ay kami na dito tanggap ng diploma. Tanggap na daw ng diploma dyan. Pero hindi totoong diploma. Ayan, tanggap na. Mag-check hands na tayo dyan. Check hands. Check hands.
Escortin Asley Indy, De La Cruz Adrian, Namangkayaw Marlon, Cajes Jen.
Parents and escort. Ladies and gentlemen, the oath of loyalty. Attorney Roland C. Pondo, President, University of Mindanao Alumni Association Incorporated. I, as President of the University of Mindanao Alumni Association Incorporated, hereby confer upon you full membership to the association, to which you are entitled with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. To our dear graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. This is your oath of loyalty with the university. To my alma mater, the University of Mindanao, I give my solemn pledge.
University of Mindanao, I give my solemn pledge.
That I shall dedicate all my knowledge, trainings, talents, and skills to humanity.
That I shall dedicate all my knowledge.
That in the exercise of my calling, I shall cherish and uphold the spirit of honest and unselfish service. That in my relation with my fellow men,
My relations with my family.
integrity, honesty, innovativeness, and teamwork as my guiding principles.
Integrity.
I further pledge that for the welfare of my country,
I further pledge that for the welfare of my country,
I shall assert my rights and assume my obligations as a free citizen,
I shall assert my rights and assume my obligation as a free citizen,
ever holding high the precepts of liberty and democracy.
ever holding high the precepts of liberty and democracy.
Above all, I pledge
Above all, I pledge
that I will strive at all times to live an abundant life,
that I will strive at all times to live an abundant life,
to the honor and glory of my alma mater, the University of Mindanao,
to the honor and glory of my alma mater, the University of Mindanao,
and my home, my country, and the Almighty.
and my home, my country, and the Almighty.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Dito ay susunod namin kakanta kami ng graduation song. The Climb ang title ng song ng aming kakantahin. I can almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's voice inside my head saying, you never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta get trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes gonna have to lose. And about how fast can I get there? And about what's waiting on the other side. Each glide. The struggles I'm facing, the chance I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but now I'm not breaking. I'm not a no way, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on. Cause there always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. And sometimes gotta have to lose. And about always gotta get her. And about was the way on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, 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 yeah. There always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna make it move. Always gonna be uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. And about how fast can get there. And about what's waiting the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep on moving. Keep climbing. Keep the beat. Baby, I love you so much. I still about. It's all about climb. You keep your pit. You keep your pit. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo. And na. Clap, clap, taas kamay, ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan, di ulitin mo pa dyan. Clap, clap, taas kamay, ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan, di ulitin mo pa dyan. Pag bumagsak ang huling patak, dito sasabing, sabay tayong sasagot, sa tunog ng disco, wala nang tanong, ikaw ang renagalaw ngayon. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi, sa bawat galaw ako'y nabibihag. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang bibitawan, hanggang sa huling tugtog ni sigawan. Hawak mo ang beat, sumayaw ka pa, sa disco na gabi, ikaw ang tala. Hawak mo ang beat dito sa pesta, ikaw ang tunog na hindi kukupas pa. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat.
The Philippine National Flag, the UN cover, college scholars, the President's Party, faculty members, and guests. Please remain standing until after the President's Party has moved out of the hall.
Tuloy ang part ay patapos na kami sa aming programa ng graduation kasi pag umalis na ang president ng UM na si Sir Torres ay palabas na yan bago kami lumabas. Dapat siya walang makalabas. Sunod kami. Dito na yan. Ayan ang mga vlog ko. Sunod na dyan sila. Tagalog muna tayo ngayon kasi mahirapan tayo sa kalisod sa magtagalog-tagalog. Ngunit ang amo ang yung graduations. Ito yan si Junior Puri. Basta yan, katapos ng lumabas dyan na yan. At ito yung mga nag-graduate na mga student. Sama ko pala ngayon si Jericho Rosales yan. Si Jericho Rosales yan. Yan o. Sa likod ko si Jericho Rosales yan. Ito palabas na kami. Pa-exit na kami. Yung totoong exit sa UM. Dito palabas na kami. Daming tao dyan o. Dami. Labas na kami yan. Mahirap pa nun sa palabas nito. Pinaspasan kami ng dyan ng lakaw para dito na yung labasan dito na yung labasan yan ang labasan talaga dyan kami na ang dami talagang mga estudyante sa UM mo. Ito na yung palabas na kami dito na last na yung palabas na labas na kami dito sa UM mo. Ito na talagang last na labas namin sa UM. Yan pinakamin exit na labasan sa UM. SMX Lanang exit. Totoong exit talaga yan. Habang ko si Jericho yan. Jericho Gonzales. Habang ko si Mama dyan. Habang ko si Mama dyan. Yeah, dito na kami. Yan, palabas na kami dyan. At nandito na kami dyan. Mga kaibigan na nagsasalubong dito. At kumapit kami dito sa Pigeon City. At kasama ko na dito si Mama at si Lumay. Bibi Sami, nandito na yung si Bibi Sami. Yan o, naka-pink yan. Yan ang bibi ko. At si John Milton dito ay naglakad-lakad o. Pauli na kami dito palawas. Okay, dyan lang taman. Bye-bye sa inyong lahat.